Yogi Clan, welcome back to MC Monday in episode number 14. Today we're going to talk about being aware. If you are new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. I am your host Yogi, and here at Yogi Cycle Service we do everything motorcycle related. Stuff to help you fix your bike, stuff to help you maintain your bike, stuff to help you save a few dollars on your bike. And we also do MC Monday stuff, so if you like what you see, mash that thumbs up, check out my channel, surf around, and see if there are any other videos you like. If there are other videos you like, do a brother some love, hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Also, I want to remind you, check out the body of this video below. In there is a link to Teespring. Hey man, keep showing a brother some love. Or some shirts. That's how we get parts and stuff to do service and do work so I can bring you more content. Help support the channel. All right, let's dig into it. So this MC Monday comes from September 14th, 2020. And this was a result of an event that happened at a clubhouse. So we'll have a little story time after we read this. And it reads, MC Monday, tip of the week. How aware are you? Always be security minded. Look around and see what's going on around you and in public places and report anything that seems suspicious to one of your full patches. Have a code word or phrase for when it's time to roll, i.e., I'm hungry for tacos. So there you go, Yogi Clan. There's your quick little MC Monday tip, but time for story time. So why did this post come about? Well, back in September, my wife and I were at a clubhouse and we were hanging out, and it was starting to get late and it was time to go. We had other things to do that night, but it was getting late. So it was well into darkness. And across the street from the clubhouse is a gas station. And my wife said, "Hey Yogi, I could go to the bathroom." Okay, instead of going to the clubhouse, let's go over there, hit the gas station, because we were parked at the church across the street from the gas station, and we'll just hit it there because it's on the way back to our bike. So we're all walking out as a pack of probably about 30 plus of us, intermingled with full patches and prospects. There were some guys, wives were there with them also. And my wife and I peeled off from the group to hit the gas station so she could go to the bathroom. I'm thinking, okay, well, there's going to be a prospect or two that follows me. That's fine. That's cool. They can keep an eye out while we go in and go to the bathroom. So we go into the front door of the gas station. Ask the attendant, "Where's your bathroom?" He says it's on the outside. Well, there's you can walk straight through the gas station, go out the other door and go around to the back and go to the bathroom, which the back side was facing the clubhouse. Now, we've been to this clubhouse before many times. I know pretty much everybody that was at that clubhouse. I was comfortable, no problem. So the fact that this happened was really no big a deal, but had that not been the situation, it could have been a bigger deal, right? So we walk through the gas station, I walk out the side, go around the back, open up the door, Mama goes in. It's just one bathroom there. It's unisex, I guess you call it. She goes in, she goes to the bathroom, locks the door. I'm out front watching. I'm looking around, I'm like, where'd all the prospects go? Why aren't there any prospects with me? So she finishes going to the bathroom. I go inside. I go to the bathroom. I come out from the bathroom, her and I walk around the gas station and start heading towards the street, and I can see the church across the street on the other side of me, and I see our sergeant at arms kind of posted up in the corner there, standing guard. I'm like, "Hey, Sarge." He's like, "Yeah?" I'm like, "What's wrong with this picture?" And he just puts his head down like this and yells, "Prospects!" To which they all come running, and he looks at them all and goes, "Why the bleepity bleep is my international officer and his wife across the street with none of you there guarding him, none of you there watching him?" Now, I say guarding. We are a Christian MC. Do we really, as officers, really need to be guarded? No, we're not really on anybody's hit list. I mean, if we were on somebody's hit list to be, I'm like, come on, we're a Christian club. It's like taking out an apostle, right? You're not going to cap an apostle, are you? I don't want to elevate us to the level of apostle. I'm not trying to do that. But what I'm trying to say is, normally the Christian boys aren't the first ones to get shot if something goes down. Now watch, I say that now and somebody's going to be like, "Look, watch this, hold my beer." So I'm not saying that as a challenge. I'm just saying, we're not usually top of the list of people that other clubs go after, the Christian clubs. Just saying. But still, traditional MC says you guard your full patches. You guard your officers of the club. Where were they all? Why did nobody watch me and my wife split off from the pack and walk over by ourselves to the gas station? Why? Because they weren't aware. They didn't know what was going on. Your head needs to be on a swivel, prospects. You need to be paying attention. And if you were an organized prospect group, what you would have done is had a little meeting, a little powwow before we went to the clubhouse and said, okay, what full patches are going to the clubhouse? Okay, who is guarding who? You guard him, you guard him, you guard him, you guard him. I'll take him, I'll take them. I'll make sure him and his wife are covered. And that's who you're assigned to for the night. That's what you need to do, so that when you're walking with the pack, you're situationally aware of what full patches you're supposed to be looking for. Okay, here I am. My one full patch is over here. My other full patch is... Hey, where's that full patch going? Where are you going? Hey, and tap your buddy prospect. Full patch is walking this way. I'm going over to cover. Okay, bye. There you go. You're off to cover. A good prospect crew will have that nailed down before you even go to the event, so that when you get to the event, it's a moot point. You're on point, you're guarding, you're covering, and you don't let your guard down until you get back home. Your guard is up all the time until you get home. And that really applies to any traditional MC, not just our MC. It's any traditional MC. You got to be guarding your full patches. It's what you got to do. And when somebody walks off by themselves, especially with their wife, what if something happens to them? Now, we're at a friendly clubhouse, not a problem. But what if we were at a clubhouse that we've never visited before? What if there was a club there that had a beef with us? Well, now you got one of your international officers and his wife all alone with their backs to the clubhouse, and you can't see them because the building that they're in is in between you and the parking lot you're now standing in. Now you got somebody who's strung out to dry. Can't let that happen, prospects. Always have your head on a swivel. Always be alert of your surroundings. Maybe you're in the middle of a clubhouse and some other club has a beef with you. You need to know, hence the code word. Let's go for tacos, or code phrase. I'm hungry, let's go for tacos. That means it's time to go. There's something happening. Somebody's sensing something, we got to bounce. It's time to roll. Always be aware of your situation. And there's your MC Monday tip. I hope this helps. I hope it makes sense. If you got any other advice, I mean, there's a ton of other things you could say about this. Ton of other things you could say. I could go on for hours about being situationally aware. Well, I'll just leave it at that. But if you got any more comments, put them in the comment field below. I thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, y'all. Happy Monday. Peace.